How do I change city in Citymapper app? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your city on the Citymapper app. For that, open the Citymapper application on your device. You can download this from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the application and you want to change your city, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're here, you're going to find your current city over here. Tap on the Switch City option. Now, a list of cities which are supported by this application will be displayed. You can scroll down and find your city manually, or you can type in your city on the search bar. Once you have found your city, simply tap on it. Now the city map is loading. Afterwards, it will say welcome to the city that you have chosen. Now the map of the city you have chosen will be displayed over here. All you have to do now is set up your starting location and end location, and the route will be displayed. And this is how you can change city in the Citymapper app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.